Hello students, it's Mr. Dusick, and what we're going to be talking about now is Day 14 Science. Our science topic is me and those around me. So I'll read it to you and we'll talk about what the expectation is and what you can do for this. Did you know that you are a mammal? What physical characteristics do you have that make you a mammal? Draw a picture of yourself and label the physical characteristics that make you a mammal. Now, big thing we need to understand here is the word mammal and what that means. So what I figured we could do is we could go find out what a mammal is on Pebble Go Science. There are a couple ways to get there. I put a link on my class website right next to the Science and Social Studies section right here at Pebble Go. If you don't have access to that, you can also get to it through the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library homepage. So we'll go to that, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library homepage. We scroll down and we find resources, and we go to the A to Z list of resources and scroll all the way down to where the letter P is. We can find Pebble Go Science and More. Click Access Now. And it's going to ask you for your login information, which will be your CMS student ID number. I put in my library card number earlier, so it just took me automatically to the website. From there, we're going to click on Animals, because a mammal is a kind of animal. And then we're going to find the word mammals right under the picture of the gorilla. So there are a lot of different mammals that you can click on to find out more information about. One of the ones I wanted to look at was the sloth. So here you can see we have some information about sloths. Sloths are furry mammals with long hooked claws. Now, the reason I clicked on this when trying to find out about mammals is we have this word bolded here in red. It's the word mammals. When I click on it, it gives me the definition. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal that has a backbone and hair or fur. So, thinking about that, going back to our task, what physical characteristics do you have that make you a mammal? From what we saw in Pebble Go, mammal is a warm-blooded animal that has a backbone, which we have, and hair, which we also have. So those are some things we might want to include in our picture, maybe. Kind of hard to draw the backbone. We can definitely do the hair part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my drawing app here, my webcam, and I'm going to show you what the task is, which is to draw a picture of yourself and include some of those characteristics. So I'm going to draw myself, just a quick sketch of myself, drawing my beard, smile. As I always say, draw simple shapes. It's okay if it doesn't look exactly like real life. What matters is that you're doing your best, using simple shapes to get as close as you can. When we were looking at the different physical characteristics, they said that mammals have hair or fur, so I can label my hair. One of the other physical characteristics was having a backbone. I can't see it in the picture, but I can draw where it would be. And then I could always add color to this, add a little more detail to the picture as well. If you do have access to Pebble Go, you can find out about a lot of different mammals, bears, primates, desert mammals, all sorts. You can find out about their habitats and different characteristics about each of them. So hope this was helpful. Hope this gave you some ideas of what you can do for science